Welcome to my almost perfect home office. Now, I thought I was going to give a great tour of my office, all the cool things in here, how it's broken into 3 zones. It's about 5.5 Tom Cruises long and about 2.5 Tom Cruises in depth. There's the work zone, the workout zone, and the chill zone. In the work zone, my desk is probably my favorite thing. It's a fully desk which goes up and down automatically with a click of a button. Now the workout zone is dominated by this half squat rack, which is a decent piece of equipment. It's not good enough where you can do everything, and it does take up a lot of space. These dumbbells are awesome. They're adjustable, saves a lot of space. Chill out zone is basically the TV, the sound system, the PlayStation. I've been working from home predominantly for about 8 years. There are a lot of opinions as to what you need to get to build your perfect home office. What kind of desk, webcam, furniture, plants, candle, books, keyboard, lighting, pen, notepad, and everything else that you need. My house is just over there. Office is in the old garage at the end of the garden. And what's great is I can make myself a cup of tea in the morning and it's still hot by the time I get here. And that got me thinking that you can see a ton of videos online about what makes a great office setup. But I think they all miss the main point. For me, what makes my office great isn't all the gadgets that are in here, but it's how close I am to what's out there. The home, the family, the kids. And I'm reminded of a quote by Stephen King, which he says that work is support system for life, not the other way around. And so what's brilliant for me is I can just get my job done and then go back to my real life. And in a time where overwork and stress and burnout is common, that's probably one of the most valuable things.